Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Salesforce notifications to stop duplicate workflow alerts easy. To begin, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Workflow Rules. Select Workflow Rules from the search results. You will see a list of your active workflow rules. Identify the workflow rule that is generating duplicate notifications. Click on the name of this workflow rule to open its details. Once inside the workflow rule details, look for the Email Alerts section. Click on the Email Alerts link to view the associated alerts. Here, you'll see all email alerts linked to this workflow rule. Select the specific email alert that is causing the duplicates. In the Email Alert details, find the Recipients section. Review the list of recipients for this alert. If there are multiple recipients, consider consolidating them. Next, locate the email template used in this alert. Click on the template name to ensure it's not causing confusion. Return to the Workflow Rule Details page. To disable the entire rule, click Deactivate in the top left corner if necessary. If you only want to modify notifications, leave the rule active. You may also consider creating a new email alert to avoid duplicates. Fill in the necessary fields for the new email alert, ensuring it only targets the intended recipients. Once done, save your changes. Test the workflow rule to confirm that duplicate notifications have stopped. Monitor your Salesforce notifications over the next few days to ensure the changes are effective. If duplicates persist, revisit the settings and make further adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.